Hey, better sheets. Oh man. Okay, there's got to be a better intro. Hey, better sheeters. Nope. Hey, better sheets members. I just hunted on Product Hunt Sheetle. So it's Wordle in a Google Sheet, and I love Wordle. I got captured by it. I play it every day, and I thought like, oh my god, I should make a Wordle in Google Sheets, and then I did. But I got hung up on like one part, and when I was not making, and I didn't release it to the public. Better Sheets members got a preview, but Tyler, Tyler Robertson, who is the Clown Prince of Spreadsheets, that's his name. If I'm the Wizard of Spreadsheets and he's the Clown Prince, then there must be a King of Spreadsheets who we don't know yet. But you are the court of the spreadsheets. So thanks for watching. But please go check out Sheetle. It's really fun. Tyler did a good job on it. I'm gonna play Sheetle right now. I'm gonna get it. So when I go to Product Hunt, I can go to playsheetle.com or go straight to the doc. Both of these go straight to the doc. He already used the URL forwarding to go straight to the Google Doc, and we're gonna make a copy of it so we can use this template. And I'm showing you the whole path of how you can use this. It's free. You're able to use it right away. It's really cool. I'm gonna just click up here on this use template, and it's going to make a copy inside of my Google Sheets. I think I've already done this, so I might say like number 2 or something. So this should be in my Google Sheets. Oh, there it is. It just says Sheetle. Cool. And I'm going to make a guess. And Tyler did a cool thing here where like you don't have to press enter. You just have to press this like button here, this blue button to the side. So I'm going to make a guess. The first thing I'm going to guess, I wonder what you think it is, but it's going to be sheet. I'm going to guess sheet. That's my first guess. I wonder what. Okay, so that's a lot of letters that I got there. Okay, so S-H-E-E-T. So there's no S. I got the H and the E right, the E and the T right. H-E-T. I don't think there's many words that have H-E-T. So probably something like 2 E's. E. This is not a thing. E-H-E, right? And something like teeth? No, teeth is not right. Teeth is wrong. Teeth would be wrong. T-H-E. No S. There's another E. So thems, thens. There's a there. Why do I? But there's a T, E. What? Oh, wait, the E is not in the right place, so it can't be there. So it's TH theme. Let's try that. Oh, that's close. Oh my god. Okay, that was there. That's gotta be it. Okay, I should have done spoiler alert. Oh my god! I should have put a spoiler alert on the beginning of this video because I just solved the Sheetle of the day, and it's gonna be. I'm gonna go share this. So this is really cool. You have this emoji to share once you're done with it. I'm gonna go share it on Sheetle on Product Hunt. Let me see. I think he already did. Here's Tyler's. Here's Tyler doing it. Here's mine. And if I just hit, say, so it has some quotes there. Just got to clean this up a little bit. But we can also just share it. Doesn't really matter that much. Sheetle, reply. So if you watch this video and you got the first one, I'm so sorry if it was a spoiler. Share what you got. Maybe what I'll do is I'll ask Tyler to make sure that that's not the one today. Maybe there is a way to like randomize it. The way that I did it, I did Wordle in a Google Sheet. Again, mine is so wrong. It's got a little bit of a bug in it, but you can play it as many times as you want. So if you're a Better Sheets member, with access to all the videos, I think I already have the video and that's out, but this video is going to be on YouTube. Hi, YouTube. I just solved today's Sheetle. Sorry, I should have said spoiler alert. So mine's a little different. So I have a word here, and it's a randomized word. And I can do like SH. You have to like type each letter in as it goes. So we got the S correct. This is super slow. Sheet. So yeah, the S is correct. I don't even want to try this because I can show it here. Reveal. It is, what is it? Skull. I would have never gotten that. But I can also go up to Wordle menu and go New Game. And it runs a script and it resets everything. So I can do like THERE. And now I don't know what the word is now. So it has... This probably is incorrect because what happens is if there's one E and it'll show this. So there is a little bit of bug in mine, so I probably won't even go on with this. I feel so bad. Go play Sheetle. Sheetle is much better. 1 per day in a sheet. It looks better. It plays better. You can just type the word here and guess just like that. I think what Tyler did is amazing. If you haven't yet, go check out his other stuff. He has a portfolio. He has lots and lots of games. He's made chess in a Google Sheet. He's made checkers, Snake in a Google Sheet, rippling pond thing, which I just think is visually beautiful. And really I am hopeful that you can play Sheetle and have fun with it, and make sure to share on Product Hunt how you did in your first game of Sheetle. Bye.